Marhay na banggi mga kasurog, ito pa rin ang inyong paboritong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at na Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasurog pa. At kung mapapansin mo partner, halos mapuno na ang ating venue ngayon gabi dito sa Sangay Sports Complex para sa ating huling laro ngayong gabi para sa ating Bigaten Quarterfinals. At sa mga di pa nakakaalam ng mga nangungunang team sa ating tournament, pag-usapan muna natin ang Ako Bicol Cup Quarterfinal Standings.
Yes, partner. So, ito na ang ating mga bigatens. For Bracket A, we have Naga with, again, 3 loss and wala pa silang talo. Nabwa, kakapanalo lang partner kanina with 2 wins and 1 loss. Sangay with 1 win and 1 loss. So, itong team Sangay, mapapanalo kaya nila ngayon. So, madadagdagan kaya ang kanilang panalo ngayong gabi. Team Lupi, itong kalaban nila partner with 1 win and 2 loss naman dito sa ating Bracket A. And also Formula Or, game kanila sa kanina with 0 win and 3 loss. For Bracket B partner, we have Team Kamaligan leading pa rin with 3 win without loss. Iriga, San Fernando, and Goa is type silang tatlo with 1 win and 1 loss. And for Team Del Gallego, again, wala pa silang panalo sa ating bigating quarterfinals at mayroon silang 3 talo partner.
Yan ang ating current team standing sa ating tournament. At para naman sa ating huling laro ngayong gabi, magtatapatan ang home court team na Sangay kontra naman sa koponan ng Lupi. And partner, bago tayo makalimutan natin, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako nga pala si John Bachiller, ang inyong play-by-play analyst at your service. At kasama ko ang aking partner na si Coach.
Yes, partner. I'm Coach Paul Sepe. I will be your basketball analyst for this game, partner.
Yes, partner. This is indeed a good match for tonight's ball game. Kasi alam naman natin, this team is coming from a loss. And syempre, Coach, what are your thoughts of the coming ball game ngayong gabi?
Yes, partner. Team Lupi and Team Sangay, partner. Lupi coming from a huge loss to Naga, partner. So, pero wala dapat ikahiya doon sa game na yun, partner. They execute well. Maganda din yung pinakita nitong Team Lupi. But they came up short again for that powerhouse Team Naga. And also for Sangay, that's a very impressive win against yung kanilang nakalaban na Nabwa na naglaro kanina. So, that game, yun talaga, hindi sila bumigay sa game na yon in the likes of Lumabe and Ken Pilapil. So this will be a great matchup for these two teams, Team Lupi and Team Sangay, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Indeed, this is a good ball game ahead for us and good insights, partner. Pero bago niyan, magdako muna tayo sa ating third panel sa ating courtside reporter na si Carmela para kapanayamin ang mga coaches ng bawat kupunan. Barbie, magandang gabi sa iyo.
Thank you so much for that, Coach John and Coach Paul. And good evening, mga kasurog. We are now in the second game for our doubleheader match-up for tonight. At habang tumatagal ay mas lalong umiinit ang mga bakbakan dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya naman bago magsimula ang ating exciting game between Team Lupi versus Team Sangay, ay kausapin na muna natin ang coaches ng bawat team. Let's start first with Team Lupi, Coach Nolly Panuelo. So good evening po, Coach. Unfortunately po ay natalo ang inyong team sa inyong last game. Ano po ba yung adjustments ng Team Lupi para ma-secure ang panalo for tonight?
Good evening po para sa lahat. Tama ka doon, galing kami sa 2 losses. Pero yung aming performance hindi naman ganong kababa. Kaya ang aming mga player is still in high morale, in high spirit. May adjustments kaming ginawa, especially sa aming offense. Hopefully, we will execute it properly to win the game.
Now, Coach, meron ka pong opportunity para i-shout out at batiin ang mga supporters ng Team Lupi. Go ahead.
Yes, good evening, Lupinians. Alam namin na hindi namin kayo nakasama dito sa venue dahil sa proximity ng venue. Now, spiritually, inaasahan namin na nandito kayo. Alam namin na nilabas nyo na naman yung inyong mga television dyan sa bahay-bahay at nanonood kayo live sa YouTube at sa ating TV channel. Shout out din sa aking family dyan sa Lupi, dyan sa Goa, yung aking mga kapatid dyan sa Paranaque, and most especially yung aking mga pamangkin sa Qatar, si Garrett Dinzo and si Asileso, at ang kanilang asawa at ang mga Filipino community na nasa Middle East na nagsusubaybay na itong ating Ako Bicol Cup. Maraming salamat at happy viewing sa inyo dyan.
Thank Thank you so much for that, Coach Nolly. Grabe, nakakaabot sa ibang bansa ang Ako Bicol Cup. Dito naman tayo kay Coach Lijo sa Duel of Team Sangay. Good evening po, Coach. Nanalo po kayo sa inyong last game at ngayon ay sasabak na naman kayo sa panibagong laban. Ano sa tingin mo, Coach, yung edge or advantage ng Sangay against Lupi?
Good evening everyone. Hopefully, ang advantage namin today for this game ay mag-step up yung locals namin kasi maglalaro ang bigs namin ngayon to dominate the paint. So hopefully ang mga other locals ay lumabas yung kalaro nila. Yan ang adjustment na gagawin namin.
Okay, Coach, now you have the opportunity po para pasalamatan at batiin ang supporters ng Team Sangay.
Okay? So sa lahat ng supporters ng Sangay, bigyan natin ng magandang support ang team natin kasi home court advantage tayo. So kailangan lahat sumuporta sa Sangay. Lalong-lalo na yung salamat sa support ng LGU, lalong-lalo na kay Mayor Juby Puentebella.
Po, thank you so much, coaches, and good luck. Maaari na po kayong bumalik sa kanya-kanyang benches para po mag-prepare sa inyong match-up. Mga kasurog, libre at pwede po kayong manood ng actual game here at Sangay Sports Complex, and we are also live on Facebook page of Ako Bicol Cup, Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Portales, and Representative Zaldico. Also on YouTube and TikTok, Ako Bicol Cup. This is Barbie Floriano, your courtside reporter, and I'll be back for more updates. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Barbie, sa update sa mga coaches and partner. Pasadahan muna natin ang ating kasurog matchups for tonight. Partner, pasadahan mo.
Yes, partner. So, pasadahan natin, partner, itong kasurog matchup natin for this game on their previous matchup, partner. So, for Team Lupi, we have Aaron Layosa, partner, against Team Naga. He shot 84% on the 2-point average and also 20% on the 3-point average. And 91% siya doon sa game na yon in the free throw average, partner. On the other hand, we have this daredevil na si Joshua Buela ng Team Sangay against Nabua na ipinanalo nga nila yung game na yon. So coming from a win, Joshua Buela contributed 68% on the 2-point average and also 43% on the average sa 3 points, and nakapagtala din siya ng 50% average sa free throw line. So konting disparity lang, partner, sa points average itong dalawang player natin, si Mr. Cool, Errol Layosa and Joshua Buela, kasi si Errol, partner, averages 13.8 points per game dun sa last meeting nila against Naga, and also si Buela with average of 9 points in that game, partner.
Yes, indeed, a very good matchup, partner, kasi makikita mo dyan, merong mga stats si Aaron Layosa na hindi mo makikita sa ating stat sheets.
Yes,
and also
partner,
si Buela, yung presence niya sa loob.
Yes,
and partner, syempre, para malaman naman natin ang dalawang kupunan na magtatapat sa ating huling laro, pasadahan natin ang kanilang team averages.
Yes, partners. For team stats naman, partner, very malapit lang sila, partner, sa isa't isa. For Team Lupi, they shot 64% on that previous meeting against Team Naga in the 2-point average, and also for Team Sangay against Nabua, they shot 56% on the 2-point average. Ito, malapit, partner. Yung 3-point average silang dalawa almost identical, with itong lamang lang itong Team Sangay ng 2%, with 20% itong Team Lupi and 22% sa kabila. Itong free throw shooting naman, partner, dun sa mga previous games nila, itong Team Lupi with 67% and Team Sangay with 59%. And also, kung mapapansin natin, maganda ang handling nila ng bola. Nagbibigay lang ito si Sangay ng 6 turnover per game in that last outing, and also itong Lupi ng 8 lang. So that's very manageable. So for this game, partner, this is a very exciting game kasi kung nakikita natin sa stats na yan, medyo magkakalapit ang numbers nitong Team Lupi and Team Sangay, partner. So at ayun na nga, partner, yan ang kanilang stats. So wag na natin patagalin itong game na to, itong bigating quarterfinals natin. Puntahan na natin at ibato na natin sa ating arena announcer na si JB, partner.
Once again, marhay na banggi mga kasurog. This is still your day 41 of Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Saligo at ng Ako Bicol Portales. Katabang na kasurog pa. We welcome you once again inside the Sangay Sports Complex for our final game matchups of our quarterfinals between Team Lupi versus Team Sangay. For the starters, let's first start with Team Lupi. Wearing jersey number 2, Nivan Inandan. Wearing jersey number 9, Ero Layosa. Wearing jersey number 13, Don Banuelos. Wearing jersey number 15, Rex San Juan. And wearing jersey number 21, Moises Yaba. The head coach for Team Lupi is Mr. Rodel Badilla. And for the starters for Team Sangay, we have number 0, Trents Kenpi Lapi. Number 3, Beben Lumabi. Number 10, Albert Regalario. Number 17, Eugene Mayapre. And number 60, Dan Monsalve. The head coach for Team Sangay, Mr. Enrique Pilapi. And officiating officials for this ball game are Erwin Mabula as crew chief, number 1, Christian Peñoas, and number 2, Rosel Pontin. This is your Aku Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Atin To!
And we are back sa ating laro, sa ating huling laro dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, atin sa iyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Laban ng Sangay, the home team versus Lupi and Malyapre. 6, the first basket of our ball game.
Very cool hands again for Eugene Malyapre, partner. Si Mr. 3-pointer natin.
Yes, partner. Then si Clutch Eugene Malyapre scoring the first basket of our second game. Ayan, Layosa intercepted by Lumabi. 3 against 1. Lumabi hops and stops. Misses the shot, but there is Ken Pilapil with the offensive rebound. Good start on the part of Sangay.
Yes, partner. So makikita mo talaga itong eagerness ditong Sangay na ipanalo tong game na to. Umpisa pa lang, partner, with this lightning point guard, Lumabi.
Tama ka dyan, partner. A very speedy guard talaga. Maaasahan pagdating sa fast break. And syempre, yung aggressiveness and yung defense niya na pinapakita laban sa mga guards ng mga kalaban niya is very evident talaga.
Yes, partners. At nasa free throw line nga itong very notable player natin na si Ken Pilapil. This is will be the veteran player for Team Sangay. Another steal there for Team Sangay. Ayan na naman, napakabilis, partner.
Grabe, partner. A very fast-paced ball game. Yung inaasahan kong mas mabilis na Lupi, ngayon ay mas tinatakbuhan ng mga taga-Sangay. The score is 6-0 in favor of the Violet Shirts. And by the way, sa ating mga late shooters, ang naka-violet yung Team Sangay and yung white and gold shorts yung mga taga-Team Lupi.
Yes, partner. So makikita natin ang gandang execution ng defense ng Team Sangay doon, partner, with that 2-3 extended zone. Sa kabila naman, ganun rin ang ginagawa nitong Team Lupi when it comes to defense.
Yun, partner, nahuli na tinulak ni Panuelos ang big man na si Jansen Monsalve who is humihingi sa post and with 9 seconds remaining 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock para sa Sangay.
Yes, partner. First quarter pa lang, partner, kitang-kita mo na yung intensity na pinapakita nitong Team Sangay, partner. At eto nga, etong Team Lupi hindi pa rin makabutas dito sa 8-minute mark natin.
Tama ka dyan, intensity and yung composure ng Team Sangay talaga ngayon sa first quarter ay talagang litaw na litaw. Ayan na, Malyapre again is ahead with the fake. Malyapre misses the shot but grabs his own rebound. Pero nandun yung mga pesky rebounders ng Lupi to steal the ball. Ayan na si Panuelos against Regalario. Yaba for 3. Kaboom! And that is the first basket courtesy of Yaba, and that 3-point shot is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagaray Islands.
Yes, partner. Good shot on the part of Yaba. Ayan, partner, dapat talaga hindi sila mag-back down against this big lineup nitong Team Lupi, Team Sangay rather, partner.
A sorry miss on the part of Ken Pilapil. Ayan na, 2 against 2. Layosa against Regalario. Spins, flies for 2!
Ang gandang galaw, mga kaibigan, ni Layosa. Spin move. Si Mr. Cool natin ng Team Lupi.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And for that, siguro, nakita ko na humawak ng cellphone ng ating writer na si Iris talaga. Baka isulat sa top 10 plays of the week natin yan. Kasurog, top 10 plays of the week.
Yes, partner. So, ang gandang galaw nga. Ito naman, Team Sangay. Ayan na naman si Lumabe. Partner, wala lang.
Ayan na, Yaba. 4 against 3. Yaba is ahead. Stops and pops for 2. Drains the 2-point shot. Grabe, partner. Talagang yung counter-attack ng Lupi talaga. Andyan kaagad.
So, sa time na to, partner, ganun ang pinapakita. Both teams, very fast ang facing ng dalawang team na to.
What a good two-man game on the part of the Bigs of Sangay. Dan Monsalve over the cutting Eugene Malabre and scores the easy basket.
Yes, partner. This will be the difference, partner, dito sa dalawang team na to. Itong dalawang bigs nitong team Sangay, partner, compare dito sa nakikita ko, isa lang dito sa Team Lupi, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Those big guys from Sangay talaga can pass the ball and give their open teammates yung bola. And on the other hand, para naman sa mga taga Lupi, yung over sa maliliit na big man nila na si Manuelos and si San Juan who is taking over sa ilalim para sa Team Lupi.
Yes, partner. So sabi ko nga, titingnan natin, partner, kung ano magiging adjustments nito nila Coach Rodel Badil dito sa Team Lupi when it comes dito kay Monsalve at kay Malyapre, partner.
Yan nga, partner, tingnan natin kung anong magiging adjustments ng Lupi over the big guys ng Sangay. And partner, meron tayong substitution. Pinalitan kaagad si number 13 na si Panuelos. Pinasok na ang very energetic guy na si Orkin na nangunguna inandan. Kicks it out to Layosa. Layosa against Regalario. Layosa spins, bumps, attacking the defense of Eugene Malyapre but misses the shot. San Juan grabs the offensive rebound. With 12 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, inandan swings the ball to Yaba. Corner 3. Kaboom!
Grabe yung Yaba, partner. Umiinit na siya. Ngayon pa lang first quarter.
Tama ka dyan, Eugene Malyapre with the offensive rebound. Kinaldag ang dalawang defenders. Malyapre with a one-legged fadeaway. Maladirk Nowitzki misses the shot. Yaba swings the ball to Inandan. Anandan to San Juan. Back to San Juan. What a passing on the part of Lupi, partner.
And that pass, back-to-back pass is brought to us by Hotel Venetia, partner. Ang gandang tingnan, partner.
Ang partner. And ang gandang laban as early as first quarter. Kitang-kita mo talaga yung intensity. Ayan na yung Lupi is running. Yaba is ahead against Lumabi. Yaba gives the ball to Layosa against Eugene Malyapre. Spins. Fake up and under. Whoa! What a shot by Ero Layosa. And
napakagandang galaw. Very exciting ball game. Sabi ko nga, partner, kanina sa team stats nila, very identical. Napakalapit lang nitong stats nitong dalawang team na to. Pero ang kagandahan dito, for Team Sangay, may dalawa silang big na talagang malalaki. Pero ang kagandahan naman at the other end, mga mobile, yung maliliit nitong Team Lupi, partner.
tama ka dyan. Speaking of mobile, pinakitaan tayo ng isang magandang galaw. Ayan na si Ero Layosa over the big man na si Eugene Malyapre. Grabe naman, partner. Yung galaw na pinapakita nitong ating kasurog featured player na si Errol Layosa.
Yes, partner. Kaya nga, partner, tinawag natin siyang Mr. Cool. Napaka-cool nung galaw, partner, sa loob.
Yun na nga, partner, talaga. Napapansin ko, partner, na unti-unting napupuno na ang ating gymnasium dito sa Sangay. And pwede pa kayo humabol kasi this is just the first quarter with 5 minutes and 18 seconds lamang ang Lupi kontra Sangay.
Yes, partner. So, ayun nga, kinounter ng bumilis yung Sangay. Binilisan din ng Lupi. So, ayun, lamang ng 6.
Yun na nga, partner, a turnover. Ayan na, si Orkin against Lumabi. Orkin with the fall away. Misses the shot, but there is Eugene Malyapre to grab those offensive rebounds. Binigay kay Regalario. All to Monsalve. And he was hacked and foul. Medyo nangihinayang si Dan Monsalve because I guess It's just a easy shot, pero nabintis niya pa rin. But then again, he will troop to the line for 2.
Yes, partner. So kung napansin natin kanina, there's a miscommunication on the part of Team Sangay, but binawi sa kabila with a defensive stop nito si Malyapre. Pagbalik, andun pa rin si Monsalve to fish a foul sa ilalim, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga nagkaroon kasi talagang eager na bigyan ng bola. Ay, kung makatanggap ng bola, gusto makatanggap ni Dan Monsalve sa post because he has a height advantage over the bigs of Team Lupi. And si Orkin gives the ball to Yaba. Gives the ball to Inandan. Yaba, corner 3 again. Misses the shot. Yan Monsalve grabs the defensive rebound. Gives it up to Regalario. Regalario attacking the defense. Kicks it out to Lumabi, but there is a foul. And partner, with just 4 minutes ang nalalabi, Team Lupi is under the penalty situation. So every foul committed by Team Lupi, mapupunta sa free throw line ng mga naka-violet shirts.
Yes, partner. So, that's a gamble, partner, na ginagawa nitong Lupi ngayon. Kasi, sabi nga natin kanina, tingnan mo naman yung front line nung Team Sangay, talagang malalaki. So, nagka-gamble sila na talagang strip yung bola na yon. Kaso, walang nangyayari. It resulted to fouls, kaya nag-penalty.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kita natin yung nagbunga kaagad ang pag-aatake ng Sangay. Kaya napunta sila sa penalty situation. Ayan na si Layosa, heavily guarded by Regalario. Tingnan mo, partner, kung gaano binabantay ng Regalario. Si Orkin with the back pass, kasumintis. Turnover on the part of Dan Monsalve. Ayan na si San Juan is rushing against Eugene. Dan Monsalve with a floater for 2.
Yes, partner. So, yun ang ginagawa ngayon, partner, nitong Lupi. Talagang they are pushing the ball. Sabi nila, kung kaatakihin nyo kami, babawian namin kayo. That's the game of counters partner, dito sa basketball.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Pilapil against 2 defenders. Regalario, baseline 3. No good. Nakuha ni Orkin. Ayan na yung Lupi. Tumatakbo. Lupi. Inandan with the back pass to Yaba. And scores for 2.
Napakagandang recognition doon coming from...
And that shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Tama ka, good recognition, partner. Partner, this team, Lupi, is fun to watch talaga when it comes sa open court basketball.
Yes, partner, napakagandang panoorin. They are not selfish with that ball. Talagang they are finding the open man once they run.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. The score is 14-20. Lamang pa rin ang Lupi with 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. San Juan misses the shot. Eugene Malyapre grabs the rebound. Ayan si Pilapil, 3 against 2. Gives it up to Regalario. To Lumabi. Lumabi up and under. Blocked by San Juan. Ahead to Orkin. Orkin stops and pops for 2. Misses the shot. Pilapil grabs the rebound. Ayan si Pilapil rushes with the left hand. Misses the shot. Inandan secures the rebound. What a good save on the part of Orkin. But he stepped out of bounds. And we will have a timeout called by Team Lupi. What an exciting first quarter, partner.
Yes, partner. So, Team Lupi will have a breather here. Siguro sa takbuhan na yon, partner, talagang napagod na itong mga taga Lupi. So, tumawag ng timeout itong coach nila na si Coach Rodel Badil dito para sa Team Lupi to talk things over dito kasi unti-unti na din na lumalapit itong team sa Sangay dito sa visiting team na Lupi. So with a score of 14-20 with 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining dito sa first quarter. Napaka fast-paced na first quarter nito, partner. So talaga di natin alam kung sino talaga ang unang magba-backdown dito. For sure, may kalalagyan. Pero for now, ang nakikita ko, hindi nagba-backdown itong Team Lupi.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Very inspired ang Team Lupi. Dahil they are visiting the home team na Sangay. Ayan na si Pilapil with the 3-point shot but misses. Pero nandun na naman si Regalario to grab those offensive rebounds and he was hacked and he will troop to the line for 2.
And also, nakita natin that's a good gesture sa mga players natin, no? Si Regalario natumba, binuhat nito ni San Juan at ni Yaba. So that's a good thing for those players na talagang they show good sportsmanship when it comes to playing basketball.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, sabi nga nila talaga, hindi kalaban, kundi kalaro talaga.
Yes,
ang
partner.
tawag sa ating mga kumbaga, these are the guys na magkakalaban sa loob ng court, pero paglabas dapat magkakaibigan pa rin tayo.
Yes, partner. So with free throw ni Legarario ngayon, so unti-unti partner na lumalapit itong team Sangay dito sa Team Lupi.
Yes, we have a substitution. Lalabas si Layosa and pinasok si number 30 na si Riego to add speed, I guess, kasi alam naman natin si Riego talaga is very speedy point guard. Yan na si San Juan who is very steady inside the paint but we can play also outside. Ayan na si Riego. Corner 3, misses the shot, but there is Dan Monsalve to grab those defensive rebounds. Outlets to Lumabi, but there is Inandan to intercept the pass. Swerte pa doon si Dan Monsalve.
Yes, partner. Swerte pa yung pasa na yon na na-deflect ni number 2. That's for Team Lupi. That's I think Inandan. So hindi niya naman kailangan gawin yun, partner. Di kailangan magmadali.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And another substitution on the part of Sangay. Si Buela pinasok na instant offense. Ayan na si Orkin. Passes to San Juan with the easy jumper. Yun na nga, partner. The score is 22-18. A very high scoring ball game on the part of both teams.
Yes, partner. Napaka fast pace kasi, partner. So talagang gusto talaga nitong dalawang teams na to. Kung makikita mo, kami ang dapat manalo. Hindi, kami.
Yan na nga si Orkin. Attacking, flies, but misses the shot. Tap, tinapik de Riego. At ang bola mapupunta sa labas, pero ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga-Sangay.
Pero partner, kahit mintis yun, good thing. Kung ako ang coach, pag nakita ko na pinupush nila ang bola with that kind of situation, it's a good thing for me. Yes, sorry miss, pero maganda yung ginawa ng mga players ng Team Lupi.
Tama ka dyan, the effort is there. And a new guy, si Orolfo, pinasok. Ayan na si Lumabi. He was caught again, dancing with the wrong song. Tinawagan ng ating Albay referee na si Sir Mapula. Magandang gabi sa iyo, sir. And sa mga SBP referees natin na nandito, headed by Commissioner Eman Faraon, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Good evening po. So ayan nga, partner, ang sinasabi natin, not only players and coaches ang nabibigyan ng pagkakataon dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, pati mga officiating officials natin.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre tayong mga akala natin hindi tayo makakaupo dito sa panel at nagsasalita ngayon.
Yes, partner.
Nabigyan din tayo ng pagkakataon to showcase our basketball vocabularies.
Yes,
Despite the limited experiences na meron tayo. But still, andito tayo para sa liga. Mahal na mahal nating Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, so that's a good thing dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. Lahat nabibigyan ng oportunidad.
Ayan na si Riego against Lumabi. Grabe talaga ang bilis ng batang itong si Lumabi talaga. Akala ko mabilis na si Riego, mas mabilis pa pala si Lumabi with 36.7 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. A very high scoring and high intensity ball game. Ayan na si Nandan, gives the ball to Riego, open for 3. Kaboom!
Grabe yung composure, partner, ng mga bata ni Coach Rodel Badil.
Tama ka
Talaga
dyan.
pag inopenan mo, titira yung bola na yan.
Ayan na naman si Riego. Talagang ginugulo si Pilapil. Ayan na naman. 10 seconds. Lumabi, drops it up to Orolfo. Buti na lang, partner. That is a much needed shot on the part of Sangay talaga because yung pressure defense ng Lupi is nandyan na to disrupt their offense.
Yes, partner. Muntik na sila maputukan doon, partner, doon sa muntik ng steal ni Nandan doon. Pero they managed to recover and yun, nakakuha pa ng foul counted itong player nitong Sangay.
Yes, and quality minutes on the part of Burolfo. Coming off the bench, scoring and completing the 3-point play with 7.1 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. San Juan gives the ball to Orkin. Orkin. What a shot, partner, but misses. Orolfo grabs the rebound and that ends our first quarter with the score of 21-25 in favor of Lupi. What a high scoring and high octane basketball, partner.
Yes, partner. Pati tayo napagod doon, partner.
Oo, partner.
So, very early pa lang. So, makikita mo na yung eagerness ng both teams. Kung sino ang gustong manalo. Ayaw nilang mag-back down sa isa't isa. So, this is a good game na nakikita natin ngayon because sabi nga natin, this quarterfinals, bigatin teams are bigatin talaga, partner. So ito yung pinapakita ng ating mga players dito sa larong ito ng Sangay and Lupi.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Speaking of bigatin talaga, pinangunahan ng bigatin na si Yaba ang first quarter, drailing those 3-point shots. And syempre, yung mga high-octane na lusot ni Layosa. And syempre, on the part of Sangay talaga, yung high-energy guard na si Lumabi and Eugene Malyapre operating the first minutes of first quarter.
So ayun, partner, so we are now on the second quarter. So makikita natin itong team Sangay medyo hinatak muna yung dalawang bigs nila. They opt to have a small lineup pero medyo malaki pa rin to compared dito sa team natin na Lupi.
And partner, for our leading scorer sa nakaraang quarter on the part of Lupi, si Yaba contributing with 10 points. And on the other hand, si Regalario also with 10 points, partner. Ayan na naman yung running game ng Sangay kontra sa Lupi.
Yes, partner. So ayun, very quick yung ginawa doon ni Lumabe. Nakakuha siya ng steal and again, pagbaba, assist naman sa kabilang dako.
Naka-partner, nagkaroon ng foul si Cano doon sa up and under ni Orkin. Si Orkin talagang ginagawa niyang paraan yung kanyang opensa talaga. Yes, he is a very energetic guy talaga. Do it all pagdating sa Team Lupi.
Yes, partner. Pero kung makikita mo, mapapansin mo sa kanya, no? So parang hindi niya na mahuhugot yung mga galaw na yun, pero talagang ginagawa niya ng paraan.
Yung kamay at haba at pati laro reminds me of a pro player na si Arwin Santos talaga.
Yes,
very skinny and lanky pero talaga nagtatrabaho ng gusto sa loob ng hardcourt.
Spider-Man.
Yes, the Spider-Man Arwin Santos. Yan na si Orkin. Speaking of 3-pointers, tumitira din si Arwin but misses the shot. Yan na si Lumabi. Ang Jason Castro daw ng Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. Ayan na si Buela, gives the ball to Orolpo. What a fake, partner! And the layup and the deuce for 2.
Yes, partner. Again, sinabi mo nga, uulitin ko lang, quality minutes for this guy, Orolpo. Nakaupo si Monsalve at si Malyapre. He's taking charge sa paggawa ng punto sa ilalim.
Yes, sa my count talagang 5 points na. And speaking of off the bench na talaga, si Riego is very reliable when it comes to 3-point country.
Yes, and that 3-point shot is brought to us by Misibis Bay, Cagralay Islands, partner.
And that shot, grabe naman yung poging galaw ni Ken Pilapil talaga doon, partner.
Grabe yung Euro step ni Ken Pilapil.
Shake and bake, sabay Euro step, sabay boarding, sabay tingin sa mga fans. Ganon ang galaw ng isang Ken Pilapil. Yaba. Yan na si Forton off the bench. Binigay kay Panuelos. Baseline jumper. Misses the shot. Buela grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Buela. Rushing. Gives the ball to Pilapil. Pilapil attacks. Hangs. Misses the shot. Forton grabs the rebound. Outlets to Yaba. Here again is Lupi running. Gives the ball to Panuelos. To Orkin. But misses the shot.
Yun, partner. That's unfamiliarity of the venue, partner. Pero kung sa tingin mo, home court nila yun, that could have been an easy basket for him.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Unfamiliarity of the court. But then again, I love to watch Lupi run during transition talaga. Kumbaga, this is showtime basketball for Lupi.
Yes, partner. So talaga, they're sharing the ball, they're finding the open man. So this kudos to these players, partner. Talagang magagaling itong mga players itong Lupi.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ay na si Buela. Gives the ball to kakapasok lang na player. To number 11 na si Sangay. Na si Cabo. Regala, Orkin misses the shot. Cano attacking using the glass for 2.
And with that, partner, we are tied at 29 with 7:20 remaining on the second quarter. Maganda yung pinakita nitong team Sangay doon sa
Tama ka dyan,
mga first 3 minutes nitong game.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Again, Orolfo diving for that loose balls, fighting for that screen talaga. And that effort is very evident sa ating laro. And partner, puntahan na natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Barbie. Barbie, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Good evening again, Coach John and Coach Paul, and good evening mga kasurog, takbuhan at ang liliksing depensa ang nakita natin during the first quarter. Halos same game style ang pinapakita ng bawat team, fast-paced game and zone defense. Samantalang napakagandang coordination within their team ang naging kalamangan ng Team Lupi. Kaya naman hanggang ngayon ay leading sila in this ball game. However, Sangay is playing clean as they can, leaving the first period with 0 team foul while Lupi in a penalty situation, and Lupi needs to minimize committing fouls dahil baka dito sila tirahin ng Sangay. That's the latest for now. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Barbie, sa update. And after that report, talagang grabe, partner, yung effort na pinapakita ng Sangay, talaga battling for those loose balls and 50-50 balls. And especially this guy, Orolfo Morley, is now being the bright spot on Team Sangay despite nga, sabi mo, nawala ang kanilang notable bigs na si Eugene Malyapre and si Dan Monsalve.
Yes, partner. Yun nga, nag-materialize, partner, yung sinabi nung coach nila during our pre-game, partner, na sana gumawa ang kanilang mga bench players.
Yes,
so, right now, yun ang nangyayari. So, maganda yon para sa kanila habang pinapahingahan yung talagang mga main guys nila na papasok siguro with third quarter and comes fourth quarter, partner.
Kaya tama-tama, medyo napaganda. Kumbaga, nagdilang anghel ang coach ng Sangay talaga. Na talagang nag-step up ang kanilang mga bench guys talaga
Yes, partner.
sa larong ito.
And, mind you, partner, yung mga steals na yon is coming from their fastest guard, Lumabe, pero nakikisabayan nitong mga bench players nitong like in the likes of Orolfo and itong kakapasok pa lang na si
Cano.
Camo.
Partner,
Oh,
James Russell Camo.
James Camo.
Yung naka-partner talaga, even si Buela talaga. Yan, yung mga pick na, again, the pressure defense. Yan si Forton, ginugulo ni Buela. Gives the ball to partner, very reliable talaga to. Na si Layosa when it comes in the paint.
Yes, partner. Sabi nga natin, Mr. Cool is very cool on that shot. And that shot is brought to us by Hotel Venecia, partner. So, napakagandang tira. Nakakuha pa siya ng foul doon. And he will troop to the line for a bonus throw. Ito si Errol, Mr. Cool Layosa.
Yung naka-partner talaga. That shot is brought to you by Misibis Bay. Si Lumabi gives the ball to Orolfo. Camo open for 3 against Manuelos. Orolfo gives the ball to Lumabi. Binigay kay Buela. Buela attacking the defense. Wraps it up to Cano. And he was hacked and will troop to the line for 2.
Grabe yung banggaan ni Camo doon and Orkin, partner, talagang nagsalubong sa ere yung dalawang high leaper nitong team Sangayan, Team Lupi. But again, medyo nauna tong angat nito ni Camo, so he will fish for 2 free throw dito sa ating free throw line. So, first throw, basket for Cano. Again, we have 34-32 with 5 minutes and 59 seconds remaining on this second quarter. Second throw is basket. So, palitan ng tao dito. Papahingahan si Orkin. Ipapasok itong si Inandan for Team Lupi. So, now we have Mr. Cool Layosa dribbling the ball. Guarded by the very fast Lumabe. Ayan.
Ayan na naman, partner, yung depensa. Kita mo, partner, muntik na maagaw ni Lumabi ang bola over kay Leosa. With hands.
Partner, napapansin ko, 3 beses niya ginagawa ni Lumabi yan. Pinapadaan niya muna, tapos sinusungkit niya sa likod yung bola. Ganon siya kabilis, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan si Forton with the Hail Mary shot. But there is again Forton grabbing for those. Grabe, partner. Yung puso ng isang Forton, even hindi niya nakuha. Ayan na, Buela against Inandan using the glass. Misses the shot, but there is Cano to grab the offensive rebound. Grabe, ang haba ng galamay ng isang Cano.
Grabe, kalawit, rebound for Camo there. So, talaga, partner, this will be a vital role dito na sa mga bench player nitong Team Sangay. So, but for Team Sangay, nagmamaterialize, so hinahayaan ito ni Coach Enrique Pilapil na maglaro itong mga bench player niya. So, for sure, tuwan-tuwa itong mga starters naman na napapahingan sila. And pagdating ng mga talagang crucial, doon na sila papasok. Pero kudos to this bench player for Team Sangay.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Grabe, yung haba, itong Sampayan Brigade na with the likes of Cano and Buela. Yan na naman si Cano. Sa sobrang haba pero bintis. Pero nandyan si Buela. Sayang but good effort on the part of the bigs ng Sangay.
Yes, partner. Nakita mo, partner, yung talino ng Orolfo. Alam niyang outnumbered siya. Linabas niya, tinapik niya sa labas yung bola. Napakagandang galaw nito ni Orolfo. Very quality minutes for Coach Enrique Apilapil. Ito si Orolfo.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Riego, spark of the bench, binigay kay Panuelos, top of the key. Sure ball na yan pagdating kay Panuelos.
Yes, partner. Pero with this past face ball game, partner, tingnan mo ang score, 2 lang ang lamang ng Team Sangay. So this is a very exciting ball game pagdating sa mga transition and primary offense itong dalawang team.
Tama ka dyan, Camo is open for 3. But nakaapak ang sapatos and ang bola mapupunta sa mga Tagalupi.
Okay, partner. So we have possession for Team Lupi. Let's see kung ano ang gagawin nila dito to maybe tie or maybe to have a lead here sa possession na to, partner.
Yes, with 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining sa ating first half, lamang ang Sangay ng 2 puntos kontra sa Lupi. Na si Yaba. Wow. With the jumper. Misses the shot. Rebound. Dicano. Pero, andyan ang number 6 na siligtas para iligtas ang possession and gives the ball to Riego. Ayan na si Kenneth Pilapil against Riego. Gives the ball to Lumabi. Lumabi swings the ball to Cano. Cano attacks. But he was fouled by Panuelos and mapupunta sa ating free throw line.
Partner, ito, nakikita ko to si Cano, partner. Once he get the ball, talagang atakihin niya yung depensa nitong Team Lupi kasi alam niya na sasabay at sasabay itong mga players ng Lupi, partner. So magandang recognition yon para dito sa player nitong Sangay na si Cano. First throw, no basket for Cano. So let's see kung maibubuslo niya ang huling free throw.
Yes, ayan na. And partner, this is just the first half. And very exciting na. What more sa ating second half? Ang laro, ayan na si Cano. Again, misses the shot using the glass. And sabi niya, partner, this time, I will make it.
For other coaches, partner, that's a big no-no. Siya yung nag-free throw. Siya pa nakakuha ng rebound and nakakuha pa ng 2 points.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Pilapil. Ahead to Orolfo. Orolfo! What a game Orolfo is having, partner. Both on offense, on the defense side talaga. Very a good spark on the part of Sangay.
So now, Sangay with a 6-point lead here on the second quarter. Tingnan natin kung ano ang gagawin itong mga Tagalupi.
Inandan with a daredevil drive and scores for 2.
So for now, partner, ayan ang magandang gawin itong mga Tagalupi. Talagang i-maximize nila yung drive nila through the paint para ayan na naman, there's a turnover coming from Ken Pilapil for Team Sangay. So the ball will go back to Team Lupi here with 3 minutes and 3 seconds on the second quarter. So Sangay up by 4. Let's see kung anong gagawin ni Inandan naman dito. Okay. Tumira ng 3 points. Wala. Buela with the ball. Now Ken Pilapil. Tumatakbo. Nagmamadali si Ken to Cano for 2. Grabe.
The score is 42-36 in favor of Sangay. Partner lamang. And ngayon palang binapasok ang kanilang bigs sa si Eugene Malyapre.
10 seconds to shoot.
What a defensive stop on the part of Eugene. And ayan na, si Agravante. Naasapan Licano. And return to sender yun, partner. And with 3 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, ang bola mapupunta sa Lupi. Stolen. Lumabi is ahead. 2 against 2. Lumabi flies and scores.
Humihingi pa ng foul ito si Mr. Lightning Lumabi
Tama ka
dun
dyan.
sa drive na yun.
And si Riego using the glass but misses the shot. Buela against 3 white shirts. Nakuha ni Agravante ang bola. And swerte si Agravante coming off the bench and will troop to the line for a possible 2 points.
Grabe yung sequence na yun. Medyo nagulat din si Buela doon na hindi niya nakuha yung bola doon sa agawang buko na yun, partner. That's a basket for Agravante. So let's see kung makukumpleto niya ang dalawang free throw with 1 minute 54 seconds remaining on the second period. So palitan tayo ng tao. Again, linabas muna si Agravante at si Ligtas.
Pinasok si San Juan and si Riego para sa ating huling minuto ng ating first half. Pilapil is attacking. Drops it up. Tucano with a reverse. Misses the shot. There is San Juan to grab. And I guess the sprain. Hindi naman pala. Pinagpag lang. Nakapartner ang mga kondisyon na players. Pinapagpag lang yung mga those types of injuries talaga. Ganon kalalakas at kakondisyon ang ating magigiting ng mga manlalaro. Ayan na si Lumabi. Swings the ball to Pilapil. Gives the ball to Eugene. Malyapre. Grabe ang partner.
Napaka-basic noon para kay Eugene Malyapre, partner. So with those defender na talagang medyo mas maliit sa kanya, talagang may ma-maximize yan ni Eugene Malyapre.
Enka, kumbaga sabi nga partner, Enka. Ayun na nga, speaking of Enka, si San Juan attacking the paint. Ayan na si Pilapil with the dribble. In and out, but stolen by Lupi. Ayan na si Orkin, lobs it up to San Juan, but misses the shot. Cano is running, gives the ball to Eugene Malyapre. Medyo nanggigil dahil nakita na naman niya. Mas maliit ang defender but he loses the ball and the ball will go to Team Lupi with 57.2 seconds remaining sa ating first half.
Yes, partner. So dapat kinakapitalize nila yung mga 4-on-2 pass break situation na yan, partner. Kasi aside from free throws, that plays will hunt them, partner, pag nagka-crucial game tayo.
Tama ka dyan. Yaba drains the 3 but misses the shot. Eugene Malyapre grabs the rebound and there is Orkin to intercept the pass. San Juan against Malyapre. Fall away, misses the shot. Yaba grabs the rebound. Riego is open for 3. No good. Rebound by Eugene Malyapre. With 29 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Pilapil, Malinaw with the short jumper. Air balls, nakuha ni Buela. And saves the day for Sangay. And the score is 48-40 in favor of Sangay with 13 seconds remaining sa ating first half.
10 seconds to play.
What a good passing on the part of Lupi. Ayan na si Malyapre. Ahead is Lumabi. And a turnover on the part of Sangay with 1.5 seconds remaining sa ating first half.
Well, good recognition sana, partner, kay ni Eugene Malyapre kay Lumabi, kaso medyo tagilid ata yung pasa. So,
Oo, tsaka yun na nga partner.
so inbound sila at the other end kasi doon nangyari, partner, yung infraction.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Doon ang galing yung violation. So, ang bola. Ayan na, Yaba. Hail Mary shot for 3. This is the shot. And ladies and gentlemen, that ends our first quarter with the score of 48-42 in favor of Sangay. Magbabalik po ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inat sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And muling nagbabalik ang Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. Siyempre, headed by Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Saldico. Katabang na, kasurog pa. What a first half, partner.
Grabe, partner. Napakabilis na first half, partner, with those lightning guards, with both teams talaga. Fast-paced yung laro natin, partner. But first, pasadahan muna natin yung mga nanguna or ang leading scorers natin nung second quarter. We have Regalario, partner, for team Sangay with 10 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. And for team Lupi, we have Yaba with 10 points, 2 rebounds, and 2 assists, partner.
Yes, partner. Yun na nga, tingnan natin kung ano magiging outcome ng ating laro dito sa siguradong magbabakbakang second half ng laro.
So ayan na nga, partner, pinasok na for Team Sangay itong dalawang big man nitong Team Sangay in the lights of Monsalve and Malyapre. And for Team Lupi naman, partner, andyan pa rin si Mr. Cool Layosa, and again si Yaba and San Juan, and also si Orkin, and also si Inandan for to complete the 5. Sa nakaka-tune in pa lang po, mga nanonood sa amin, the violet jersey is donned by Sangay and the white is for Team Lupi. So this is just the third quarter on this game. So ayan, invite namin kayo, pwede pa kayong humabol kung gusto nyo makita ng live dito sa Sangay Sports Complex itong game nitong dalawang napakagaling na team na to. But kung hindi naman kayo makapunta dito, you can also watch us live sa ating mga social media platform. So ayun na nga, si Erken tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by Lumabe. Ayun na naman, napakabilis na naman ni Lumabe. Nabitawan lang ni Pilapil.
But there is Lumapil again to secure the possession. Pilapil with the shot misses the 3-point country. Ayun na si Orkin. Inandan, drops it up to San Juan with the reverse for 2.
Yes, partner. So ayun na naman yung fast-paced game nitong Team Lupi, partner. So that shot is brought to us by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island. So ayun na, unti-unti nang kumakatok itong Team Lupi sa Sangay with just a 3-point lead. Yes, partner.
Lumabe swings the ball to Regalario for 3. In and out, rebound ni Eugene Malyapre. Grabe, partner. And a possible 3-point play on the part of Eugene Malyapre. Grabe, partner, offensive rebounds talaga. You have to body. Yan, the 3-point play is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis. Grabe, partner, talaga. Ang lakas at laki ng isang Eugene Malyapre.
So yun, partner, yung sinasabi ko kanina, magiging problema nitong Team Lupi, itong front court ditong Team Sangay. Ito si Eugene Malyapre and itong si Monsalve. Dagdagan mo pa nito ni Regalario na napaka-agile din, na napaka-mobile din dito sa Team Sangay.
And partner, mind you, well-rested big man of Sangay because of the quality minutes given by the bench warmers ng Team Sangay. Yan si San Juan against Eugene Malyapre with a fall-away. This is the shot. There is, grabe, partner, yung boxing out ni Orkin over the 6'5" Eugene Dan Monsalve talaga.
Grabe talaga ito si Orkin, partner. Kudos to him. Hindi talaga siya nagpa-back down kahit napakalaki nung kanyang dinedepensahan.
All heart on the part of Orkin. Ayan na si Yaba. Yaba against Pilapil. Fall away, misses, but grabs his own rebound and makes the shot using the glass for 2.
And that cuts the lead, partner, to just 5.
Ayan na si Monsalve. Defended by Layosa, swings the ball to Pilapil. Pilapil over Orkin for 3. Misses the shot, but there is Lumabi with 14 seconds, drops it up to Eugene. Blocked by Layosa. 2 against 2. Yaba, floater for 2. Grabe, partner. Ayan, yung running game ng Lupi talaga. It's working wonders for their team right now.
Yes, partner. So, yun naman ang kahinaan na magiging problema nitong Team Sangay kasi nga may mga malalaki sila. Pag tumakbo tong Team Lupi, naiiwan yung dalawang malaki sa ilalim, partner.
Yes, ayan na. Si San Juan against Lumabi. Behind the back. Nakuha ni Yaba against the ball. And a good passing on the part of Lupi. And that shot is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. grabe talaga partner. Ang bilis ng pace ng larong ito. Pumaparbor ngayon sa Lupi.
Ganon nga partner yung sinasabi ko kanina na pag tumakbo na yung apat nitong na player nitong Team Lupi, si Dan at si Eugene na iiwan sa ilalim partner. So kinakapitalize nila yung primary, yung transition offense ng Team Lupi. So good recognition yon para sa mga players siya. And again, samahan mo pa nung napakagandang pasahan nitong mga players na to. Mukhang ang tatagal na nitong naglalaro.
Yes.
Base doon sa mga nakikita natin partner.
Yes po, tama ka dyan partner. Talagang ganda. This is Showtime Lupi, kumbaga yung Showtime Lakers no, early 90s natin.
90s.
This is Team Lupi Showtime for Ako Bicol Cup.
So again, napatime out doon partner si Coach Enrique Pilapil. So titingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments niya doon sa transition game na ginagawa sa kanya itong Team Lupi partner.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Ayan si Lumabi. Gives the ball to Dan Monsalve against the smaller Inandan. Gives the ball to Pilapil. Pilapil attacks. Drops it up to Eugene. Eugene Malyapre. Sinama si Orchid sa taas and scores for 2.
Ayun ang naging adjustments nila. Sabi ni Coach Enrique, bagalan natin yung face para sila naman ang lumaro sa laro natin. Kaso mabilis pa rin partner pagdating doon sa transition sa setup nitong Team Lupi. So again, this is just a 3-point lead for Team Sangay. This is a very exciting ball game dito po sa Sangay Sports Complex mga kaibigan.
Yes, partner, ayan na si Layosa. Heavily guarded by Regalario. Layosa. Naagawa ni Regalario and Lumabi is all alone. But fumbles. And good defense on the part of Inandan. Grabe partner. Yung depensa. Ayan na si Orkin. Stops for 3. Irons it. Nakuha. Natapik ni Eugene Malyapre. Pero nakuha ni Inandan. Inandan attacking Eugene Malyapre. Binangga ang dalawang pader. And yun na nga partner. Grabe ang tapang ng isang Inandan to attack those big guys of Sangay.
Parang bumangga siya sa pader talaga partner.
First personal foul, third, team foul.
Ayun na, what a behind the back dribble. Pero nabitawan ni San Juan ang bola. And ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga-Sangay with 5 minutes and 57 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Lamang ang Sangay ng 3 puntos.
So ayan na naman partner. Ito mukhang isi-set up na naman nitong Team Sangay itong mga bigs nila sa ilalim. So titingnan natin ang magiging rotation sa depensa nitong Team Lupi in this possession.
Yes, Malyapre again operating inside, misses the shot. But there is, yun na nga partner, yun na nga sinasabi natin talaga. They are going sa mga bigs ng Sangay because they have an advantage sa ilalim. Ayan na si Orkin, lobs it up. But there is Pilapil. Pero si Yaba muntik na maaga at nakaapak siya.
Grabe partner yung pinapakitang puso nito ni Yaba partner. Kahit na naaagaw yung bola, hindi pa rin siya nag-give up sa mga plays. Kaso yun niya, sorry, miss lang sa mga turnovers na nakukommit ng team niya. Wala nang nagawa si Inandan doon partner kay Eugene Malyapre. Talagang ito na yung presensya ni Eugene Malyapre sa loob. Nagti-take over na siya. So
and yan na yung adjustments ng coach ng Sangay ay Lupi. Pinasok si Panuelos to guard the possible to guard Eugene Malyapre, but Eugene Malyapre is now struggling sa ating 15-foot line. And tingnan natin kung may papasok niya ang kanyang second free throw.
Yes, partner. So with that, 5-point lead nitong Sangay. Titingnan natin kung makakabalik na naman itong Team Lupi sa kanilang napakabilis na laro.
The partner makes the second free throw. And the score is 56-50 in favor of Sangay with 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. San Juan open for 3. Tumama sa bakal ng court. Ayan na si Pilapil is ahead. Fakes against Orkin, was blocked by Orkin. Grabe si Orkin partner. Standing his ground. Ayan na si Yaba. Fakes against Monsalve. Spins. Behind the back dribble. Pero Dennis Regalario to intercept the pass. Lumabi is ahead. Gives to Eugene Malyapre for 2.
That's a very easy 2 points. Yan, siguro makukuha ng napaka-easing 2 points si Eugene Malyapre sa laro nito.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Those. Ayun na si Eugene. After that layup, dumidepensa pa. Intercepting the shot of Orkin. Ayan na si Lumabi. Lumabi is rushing. Hands it up to Pilapil. Attacks. Pilapil using the glass but misses the shot. And may foul na itawag kay number 13 na si Panuelos.
Kung makikita natin, partner, itong si Regalario, napakasipag din na player. Talagang hindi din nag-give up sa mga plays na binibigay sa kanya nitong Team Lupi kahit heavily guarded na sa ilalim. So, we have a blob here. So, pinasa kay Lumabi.
Regalario gives the ball to Eugene Malyapre. Medyo mababa ang pasa. Ayan na si Fortune coming off the bench. Orkin. Ahead is Layosa. And that is the easiest layup, I guess. Ngayon nga, partner ni Layosa because he is heavily guarded right now.
Yes, partner. So, pagdating sa offense, partner, itong sila Mr. Cool natin na si Layosa is talagang binabantayan nito ni Regalario. Hindi siya pinapa-score. So, ito na naman yung 4-man team.
Grabe si Lumabi diving for the ball. And grabe yung effort na pinapakita kahit maliit pa. This guy is, I guess, stands 5 feet to 6 inches but he plays like a center talaga when he is inside the court.
So, nakita mo naman, partner, yung katawan ng Lumabi. Kondisyon na kondisyon,
partner. Partner, kahit saan sports ata ilaban mo to. Papalag at papalag si Lumabi. Speaking of Lumabi, pinapakitaan ako ng 3 points but misses the shot. Regalario. Lumabi swings the ball to Pilapil for 3. No good. Rebound by San Juan. Ayan na naman ang Showtime Lupi. Lupi. Lumabi again. Bigla na lang lumalabas sa ating mga screens. Drops it up to Orolfo. Orolfo with a spin. Partner talaga. I guess Orolfo, if you this Orolfo guy, pag pinunta mo to sa ibang teams, I guess he will start talaga sa talent na meron itong player na to.
Nakita mo yung sitwasyon na yun, partner. At the right place, at the right time. Muntik na matravel itong si Lumabi. Nakihulog pa niya kay Orolfo.
Yes, partner. Ayan, kakapasok lang. Instant offense on the part of Orolfo. Grabe. Kasi nasa bench na ang si Dan Monsalve para very good quality minutes talaga, partner, itong si Orolfo.
Yes, partner. So yun na nga, nagmamaterialize nga yung sinasabi ng kanilang assistant coach kanina na talagang dapat mag-step up itong mga bench player nila. Ito, look at the defense are giving sangay to Lupi. Tingnan mo ang depensa ni Regalario kay Layosa. They are playing man right now kasi talagang tinapatan nila yung small lineup nitong Team Lupi, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Heavily guarded na. Ayan si Fortune over Asha. Fortune attacks Asha. But the ball will go to Sangay for the turnover.
So, ayan with 8-point lead. Pero 8-point lead lang yan, partner. Very manageable for Team Lupi. So, ayan na si Ken Pilapil orchestrating the play. Pastor Regalario tumira ng 3 points. Ayun! 3 points! Nothing but net yun, partner. Pero ito na, quick inbound sa kabila, partner.
Grabe, partner, yung effort ng isang Regalario after guarding yung key players sa kabila. And ngayon, offense, na si Asha. Ginugulo ang bola. Grabe, partner, si Regalario talaga. Despite sinacrifice na kanyang offense to guard Layosa, pero still very reliable pagdating sa offense and lalong-lalo na sa 3-point shots.
Okay, so may nakitang push doon ng ating referee kay Asha sa likod.
Meron si San Juan against 2 defenders. And the ball will go to Sangay. Grabe yung clogging defense ng Sangay pagdating dito sa mga bigs ng Lupi.
Yes, partner, that is a very costly turnover dito sa ginagawa nito nila San Juan. Sana kung nako-convert nila yon, they are in the ball game na. So naka-fish doon ng foul si San Juan on Orolfo. So that's an opportunity na naman sana na tumakbo kung hindi na-foul ni Orolfo itong si San Juan. But with 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining on the third quarter, partner, pareho na silang penalty. So every foul will result to a free throw. The score is 63-52. Lamang po mga kaibigan itong Team Sangay, the home team. Second shot for San Juan, wala pa rin. Ayan na naman ang Team Sangay, but basang-basa ni San Juan yung pasa ni Orolfo. Tumatakbo na naman yung apat. Layosa.
Riego with the floater.
Yun, partner. Talagang yun ang dapat nilang gawin in this situation. Talagang i-capitalize nila yung mga fast break opportunity na yan. Kasi 4 against 2 or 3, talagang dapat nako-convert nitong Team Sangay.
Ayan na, grabe, coming off the bench, si Riego talaga, sparking with the defense. And yung grabe, tingnan mo partner, nakapag-force pa ng turnover tong si Riego over Pilapil talaga. Pag pinasok si Riego talaga at si Fortun sa loob ng court, ay si San Juan attacking, natapik, binigay kay Riego for 3, misses the shot. Pilapil grabs the defensive rebound. Orolfo is rushing, gives the ball to Regalario over Riego. Misses the shot. Yaba ahead. Layosa. 1-on-1 against Ken Pilapil and scores with a lefty layup.
Gandang recognition doon ni Layosa. Alam niya na halos nakatagilid si Ken sa lusot niya. So inatake niya talaga with that easy left layup coming from Layosa. Now Ken Pilapil.
And Pilapil gives the ball to Asha with a teardrop, misses the shot. Grabe yung white shirts talaga. Gang rebounding ang pinapakita ng mga Tagalupi. Ayan na si Yaba against Regalario. Behind the back spin. But there is Ken Pilapil to intercept the pass. Orolfo with 20 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Cano attacking Fortun. But there is Cano again to grab the defensive rebound. Orolfo intercepted by Yaba. Yaba attacks, give the ball to Layosa. Misses the shot. With 1.8 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Grabe, fast-paced na laro talaga, partner. Pati ako napapagod talaga.
Nakita mo yun, partner. Grabe yung palitan.
And that ends our third quarter with a score of 63-56. Pabor pa rin sa mga naka-violet, partner.
Yes, partner. So, yun. Pero, good thing for Team Lupi. Ganyan lang, partner. A single-digit lead for Team Sangay. Kahit ganun ka-fast-pace ang laro, talagang hindi nagbaback down itong Lupi. Nakikipagsabayan sila dito sa home team, which is Team Sangay. So, let us see itong mga highlights on that quarter. Maganda yung pinakita nito nila San Juan, nila Yaba. And of course, ito si Mr. Cool natin, si Layosa. But on the other hand, partner, kaya lamang ang Team Sangay is because of this guy, Eugene Malyapre, and this Lumabi guy na napakabilis. So talaga, partner, this is everybody's ball game. Wala pa tayong kasiguraduhan kung sino ang mananalo sa dalawang napakabibilis na team na to. And again, tune in lang kayo mga kaibigan for the fourth quarter kasi for sure this is a very exciting fourth quarter na mayroon itong bigating quarterfinals na game na to against Sangay and Lupi.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Indeed, this is going to be a war ngayong fourth and final quarter natin. Kumbaga ito, huling barahan ng partner. Kaya sino susugal at sino mananalo sa larong ito?
Yes, partner. So the possession will go to Team Lupi, partner. So tingnan natin kung ano ang mayroon pa dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito in the last quarter. So before that, partner, pasadahan muna natin itong mga leading scorer natin on the third quarter for Team Lupi. We have San Juan with 12 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 10 steals. Rather, for Team Sangay, we have Regalario with 15 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal, partner.
Yun nga, partner, grabe yung sequence na yun. Ayan na, si Regalario hinarangan si Yaba para makuha ang bola. And ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga-Sangay. With 9 minutes and 22 seconds sa ating huling yugto, lamang ang Sangay ng 7 puntos. Lumabi 101 against San Juan. Gives the ball to Eugene Malyapre. Top of the key 3. This is the shot. There is Riego. Ayan na. White shirts tumatakbo Orkin. But there is Eugene Malyapre to intercept the pass. Si Cano nauna sa bola. Pero may foul na nakita. At nagyakapan. Ang dalawa pero nakakuha ng foul si Cano.
Grabe, partner. Hindi nakapag-breaks doon si Cano, partner, sa sequence na yun. Napakabilis din ito ni Cano kahit napakahaba.
Ayan na, partner. Talagang very intense ang larong ito. Ayan na si Yaba. Pointing to his teammates. May pick galing kay Inandan. Yaba against the pesky defensive guard na si Lumabi. Gives the ball to Orkin against Cano. Orkin. Emergency pass. Binigay kay Buela. Lumabi against Inandan. This is the shot. Lumabi again with the fake. Up and under. This is the shot, but there is Regalario. Gives the ball to Lumabi. And grabe, partner, yung effort sa depensa ng White Shirts. Era si Yaba. Stops and pops. This is the shot. Buela controls the rebound.
Grabe, partner. Napakabilis talaga nito mga players na to. Grabe yung mga sequence sa steal after steals, turnovers after turnovers. Di na natin alam kung ano nangyayari, but grabe, partner, talaga. Yung puso ng mga bata, yung puso ng mga players na talagang gusto nilang ipanalo itong game na to, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Pero this is anybody's ball game. Kumbaga, Lupi is now just leading by 7 points. Talaga very manageable with just 8 minutes pa ang nalalabi sa ating laro.
Yes, partner. So, kayang-kaya pa yan. 8 minutes. Again, itong Team Lupi, they have to capitalize those transition offense for Team Sangay naman. If they are recognizing their bigs na talagang dapat nilang bigyan sa ilalim kasi there are a lot of mismatches pagdating sa ilalim. Itong nagagawa nitong mga bigs nitong Team Sangay against Team Lupi, partner. So, titingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments coming from a timeout nito sa game when it comes to transition and defending well pagdating dito kay Layosa and pagdating din dito kay Malyapre sa kabilang side. So, Nabuela with inbounding the ball. So, this is Sangay possession.
And then Lumabi over. What a pass to Eugene Malyapre and scores for 2. Grabe, partner. A very good, well-designed play on the part of Sangay talaga. Capitalizing. Ayan na, may pick galing. And that 3-point play is brought to you by Misibis. Pabalik tayo. Yung yan, may screen kay Lumabi. And yun na nga. Nakapag-commit yung mga defenders ni Lumabi and Eugene Malyapre is all alone sa ilalim. And completes the 3-point play.
Yes, partner. Kung gano'n naman talaga kabilis yung guard mo, talagang magkukommit at magkukommit yung defender. So, ayun, naging open doon si Malyapre sa ilalim.
Ayan na si Orkin. Gives the ball to Inandan. With 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Layosa over Regalario. Swings the ball to Yaba. Yaba open for 3. Misses the shot. Inandan saves the ball. Buela, 3 against 1. Buela attacks, flies, and scores for 2.
That's a very easy layup coming from Buela, partner. And again, a steal for Regalario. Good recognition there from Lumabi to Regalario, partner. Ang gandang pasa nun.
Yun naman, partner, bumawi sila on that sequence talaga. Showing Team Sangay, Team Lupi on how to finish a fast break. Era si Lumabi all alone for 2. Ito na, partner. Medyo nagka-capitalize na ang rebounding ng Sangay. Because po, ayan na naman. Another steal by Lumabi. Lumabi gives the ball to Cano. Flies and scores for 2. And And I guess that is a 8-0 run on the part, 9-0 run on the part of Sangay. Napatawag ng timeout ang Lupi.
Ganon lang, partner. So, that is an 18-point lead. So, tingnan natin yung mga highlights nung nakaraang plays na yon. Napakabilis dito ni Cano, finding the open man, Regalario. And of course, partner, yung sinasabi ko nga sa'yo kanina na napapansin natin, pag ito si Lumabi bumantay sa'yo, papadaanin ka muna niya. And then, kukunin niya yung bola galing sa likod mo. Ganon siya kabilis at ganon kanya masusundan kaagad. Grabe.
Ganon kagaling at katalino ang isang point guard na si Lumabi. And partner, kudos din to Regalario for guarding Layosa, sacrificing his offense just to put up a good defense on the part of Layosa. Grabe partner, as I've noticed, wala pang nai-score siguro sa fourth quarter itong si Aero Layosa.
Wala, partner. So that's a credit, partner, to Regalario. Now, tingnan natin kung sino naman ang kakuha ngayon na pinapahinga ni nila si Regalario.
Tingnan natin kung makakakuha ng kumpiyansa si Layosa dahil linabas yung naka-partner. I guess Layosa sabi niya nakawala. Wala ang aking magandang defender. So I will try to attack the defense of the much smaller guys na guarding me.
Yes, partner. So ayun na. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng Team Lupi.
Panuelos against Eugene Malyapre. Misses the shot. Ayan na naman. Lumabi gives the ball to Eugene Malyapre for two.
Nagkakaamuyan, partner, itong dalawang ito. So talagang pag tumakbo na to si Lumabi, nag-aabang na si Eugene sa ilalim.
Yung naka-partner. Speaking of running, ayan na si Pilapil. Ahead with a lefty layup and scores. Nabaliktad, partner, yung running game na punta ngayon sa Sangay. And syempre siguro, case of fatigue na yung nangyayari sa Lupi. Kaya hindi sila nakakasabay sa streaking fast break ng Sangay.
Yes, partner. And also, nawala na, partner, itong opensa nito ni Mr. Cole Layosa dahil kito sa depensa na pinakita kanina ni Regalario sa kanya.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And kita mo kung gaano nakatukod sa mga tuhod ang dalawang key players ng Sangay na si Eugene Malyapre and si Lumabi. Pagod na pagod.
Grabe, partner. Talagang binubuhos talaga nila lahat dito sa quarter na ito.
Pagod na kumayod para sa kanilang home team.
So, partner, ganun-ganun lang. 22-point lead na itong lamang itong team Sangay.
Ayan na si Cano with the offensive rebound. Misses the shot. And yung naka-partner binamalas pa on the part of Lupi, yung mga 50-50 balls. Ito, may magic bunot na pinasok ang coach ng Lupi. Pinasok si Magdaraog. I guess to level the intensity of Lumabi, Banderias, Ken Pilapil. Sabi niya, ako nang bahala. Lumabi, magpahinga ka na dyan. Ako aatake sa opensa.
Grabe na yung composure ng bawat player na nasa loob nitong team Sangay.
Ayan na. Magdaraog, this is the shot. Lumabi gives the ball to Pilapil against Magdaraog with a crossover. Grabe naman yung partner. I guess 6-0 run on the part of Kenneth Pilapil taking charge. This past minutes si Layosa. Misses the shot. Kumama sa ating shot clock and the ball will go to Team Sangay.
Just to give partner an update, wala pang naibubutas dito sa fourth quarter, partner. Itong team ng Lupi, partner, still they are at 56 mark. So talagang all Sangay itong fourth quarter, partner, na nangyayari dito.
Yes, ay na si Pilapil. Attacking. Flies. Grabe. Kenneth Pilapil is taking over right now. Layosa with the teardrop. And finally,
partner, 2 points for Mr. Cole Layosa.
Drains the 2-point shot, partner. Yung naka-partner. The time is on the side of Sangay, kaya they are wasting the clock. Ayan na si Pilapil again. Misses the shot, but there is Eugene Malyapre to clean up the mess and scores for 2. Ayan na si Magdaraog. And Lumabi again. Lumabi flies and scores for 2. Grabe, partner. This is a 30-point lead. Sa isang iglap, lumobo ang kalamangan ng Sangay. And ayan na naman si Lumabi with another steal. Grabe itong player na to, partner. All heart, all hustle.
Grabe.
I guess-
Talagang nagte-take over siya ngayong fourth quarter, partner.
Yes, I guess, partner, he is the heart and soul of Sangay for this game. Ayan na si Pilapil again, hangs, using the glass. Misses the shot. Layosa gives the ball to Magdaraog. Attacking, grabe, yung effort pa ng Sangay to deflect that pass and to defend their opponents.
Yes, partner, talagang di sila nag-give up. Hindi pa kami tapos dito sa home court namin. Yan ang sinasabi nito ng mga players ng Sangay. So, this is a... So, tumawag dito, partner, ng timeout ito si Coach Enrique Pilapil. So, ano kayang... siguro, partner, with this kind of lead, they will just execute and execute.
Tama ka dyan, execute and be careful sa mga injuries kasi this is the second round and we'll heading sa ating semifinals. I guess yung mga seldom used players na naman, I guess will be in the court for them to gain exposure and syempre yung kumpiyansa maging nila pagdating sa ating mga susunod na laro.
Yes, partner. So, yun na nga. But for me, partner, for Team Lupi, walang dapat ikahiya. They should play their game. Kasi nakita naman natin yung talagang puso ng mga batang ito when it comes to playing. Pero na-outscored lang talaga sila itong Team Sangay, partner.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Na-outscored sila. And yung fast breaking talaga. And kanina, narinig ko ang hiyawan ng crowd dito sa Sangay dahil pinasok nila ang isang point guard na number 8 na si Panghulan John Patrick. I guess he is one of the crowd favorites dito. Kaya tingnan natin kung makakascore siya para sa kanyang kupunan.
Yes, partner. With 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining on this game. So, titingnan natin kung ano pa ang kayang ipakita nitong Team Lupi. With them inbounding, wala pa rin. So, tumatakbo na naman itong team ng Sangay. Ken Pilapil again. But there's a foul on. That's on player
Foul by number 24.
number 24, that's in Orkin.
Personal foul for team
So,
foul. Warning for penalty.
warning for penalty na dito ang Team Lupi, but that's a shooting foul. So, Ken Pilapil will shoot 2. Wala yung first free throw ni Ken Pilapil. So, titingnan natin kung papasok ba yung last free throw. So, again, 2 minutes 54 remaining on the fourth and final quarter with 31-point lead po, mga kaibigan, itong Team Sangay.
Yes, and si Riego answering back and cutting the lead of and that 3-point shot is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. And now we are entering our twilight zone with 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto.
11 seconds to shoot.
11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Buela attacking. Grabe yung haba ng kamay ni Joshua Buela and scoring for 2. But I guess meron pang pressure defense na na-apply. Yan na si Magdaraog over the pesky. Ayan na si Panuelos attacking. Panuelos with the easy 2. Partner, yun na naka-atake na sila because wala na yung mga bigs ng Sangay. Pero partner talaga ang naging factor dito, yung bigs talaga ng Sangay and syempre, yung heart and soul nila na si Lumabi.
Yes, partner. So, yun talaga ang naging factor dito sa larong ito. And also this notable player natin na si Ken Pilapil.
Yan na si Riego adding to the scoring of Lupi. And yun na nga, partner, Buela. Meron tayong dribbling infraction. Medyo inipit niya yung bola.
Nakita ng referee natin. So, siguro spin move yun na gagawin niya. Medyo na-depensahan siya ng, on that spin move. So, he carries the ball, so that's a violation for Buela.
Ayan na si Makasinag. Oh! Makasinag gives the ball to Orkin sana. Pero nabitawan ng bola. Pilapil. Cano. Grabe yung sampayan brigade partner ng Sakay. With the likes of Buela and Cano, talaga ang working wonders for their team. Ayan na si Agravante, pinasok. Riego loses the ball, but there is Cano. But he was fouled. And syempre, yun na yung sportsmanship, a good gesture on the part of the players. Ayan na, a much-needed break on the part of the hardworking Eugene Malyapre. And syempre, pinasok si Orolfo, who is a spark of the bench kanina first half.
Yes, partner. So, dito lang sa 1 minute mark natin, masasabi natin na this would be a win for Team Sangay with that kind of lead, partner. Pero kudos pa rin to the players of Lupi. They gave their hearts out and nakita natin yung talagang kung ano ang maibibigay nitong mga players itong Lupi team na to.
Tama ka dyan. Di natin pwedeng i-menos ang Lupi. Kasi talagang they give excitement sa ating laro every time na nasa court sila. Yun na nga. Si Panghulan, much to the delight of the crowd kasi na-foul siya. And their opponent is in the penalty situation. So, he has a chance na mapunta sa ating stat sheets and maka-score.
Yes, partner.
Yun na nga, partner. Medyo tahimik at inaabangan ng mga taga-Sakay na makascore. Si Panghulan. And he scores. And grabe yung ngiti ng mga fans na nandito sa ating venue. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. Ayan na si Orkin, hindi pa rin tapos. Factor coach yung pagkawala ng scoring ni Layosa sa larong ito.
Yes, partner. So yun talaga yung magiging yung titingnan itong mga coaches nitong Team Lupi kasi heavily guarded siya. Coming third quarter pa lang, partner, yun ang ginagawa ni Regalario sa kanya. So talagang yun ang hahanapin nila dito sa larong ito.
Yes, and partner, tama ka dyan, partner. Talagang heavily guarded with just 15 seconds remaining and we're waiting for the final buzzer to sound and the final score. And syempre, antayin natin ang ating kasurog. Best player of the ball game, yan na si Orolfo, thinking 3. But misses the shot. And that ends our game with a score of 69-94. Manalo po ang Sangay. And grabe, high octane, good ball game, partner.
Yes, partner, napaka-exciting nung game. A very high octane game. A very high scoring for Team Sangay, partner, sa ganong klase kabilis na laro. So titingnan natin ngayon kung sino ba ang ating magiging kasurog player of the game. Pero ang dami din nag-contribute dito sa Team Sangay na to dito sa game natin. So again, for Team Lupi, partner, there's nothing to be ashamed of. Again, a win is a win for team sa Sangay, pero this is just another ball game. They should learn from this ball game. So kudos to them and wala dapat ikahiya itong Team Lupi nito, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. The last minutes ng fourth quarter talagang lumalaban pa sila, but still nanaig talaga ang presence ng big man na si Eugene Malyapre and the heart and soul of Sangay na si Lumabi.
Okay, partner. So ayan, pag titingnan natin yung mga highlights. Nasabi nga natin itong Team Lupi na to, once they play, they are punong-puno sila ng highlights. It's a very good passing for them. And also for Team Sangay naman, itong dalawang bigs natin, or even tatlo, which is itong Team Sangay with Regalario, Monsalve, Malyapre, and the likes of our lightning guard, Lumabe, and also Ken Pilapil. So again, congratulations to this Team Sangay for winning this game against Team Lupi. Partner, pasalamatan natin again yung mga sponsors natin, Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island, Highlands Legazpi, Hotel St. Ellis, and Hotel Venecia. Maraming salamat po sa suporta sa Ako Bicol Cup. And also to Congressman Saldico, maraming salamat po sa pag dala ng Ako Bicol Cup dito sa Kamsor. And also to the Ako Bicol Party List, maraming salamat po. And partner, this is a statement game pa rin na pinakita nitong Team Sangay against Team Lupi, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Indeed, it is a statement game talaga na once they are complete talaga with those big balls talaga they are the force to be reckoned with dito sa ating liga ito.
Yes, partner. So, again, for Team Lupi, sabi nga natin, lagi natin sinasabi dito, wala naman partner talo dito sa Ako Bicol Cup eh. Mayroon lang natuto. And kudos pa rin sa mga players na talagang binubuhos ang kanilang effort, full heart sa mga laro dito sa atin to give us a very good game every time they play sa mga kahit out of the municipality nila and kahit sa mga home court nila. So, kudos to those players.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga maraming salamat talaga sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating liga dahil minamahal natin ang ating liga. Mahal na mahal din tayo ng Ako Bicol Party List. And syempre, headed by Congressman Saldico. And syempre, yun ang partner. Habang hinihintay natin ang ating kasurog, best player of the ball game, marami tayong candidates dyan, partner. And syempre, partner, sa ating mga late tuners kanina, meron tayong unang laro. Nanalo ang kanina, ano yung first game natin, partner?
Nanalo ang ating Team Nabwa against Team Milaor.
Team Milaor. And ngayon naman, yung nanalo yung Sangay over Lupi. So, partner, maganda ang ating weekend basketball. Hatid sa atin ang Ako Bicol Party List. And siyempre, ni Congressman Saldico. Partner, baka may mabatiin ka.
So, of course, partner, again, binabati ko ang aking wife na si Mara Barasepe and also ang aking dalawang kids na si Hera and Hara. To my wife, happy birthday, advance happy birthday on July 12. And also sa aking pinsan na si Alvin Lucenia, happy birthday to you, brother.
And syempre, speaking of happy birthday, batiin ko ang ating isang mga kasamahan dito na tumutulong na masugid na nag-aalaga sa atin ni si Job. Maraming happy birthday sa iyo, partner.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And syempre, maraming salamat sa patuloy na sumusuporta sa atin, partner. And ito na, kasama na ni Barbie, ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game. Barbie, take it away.
Now I am with the Kasurog player of the game, Eugene Malyapre, jersey number 17 from Team Sangay with 20 points, 7 rebound, and 1 assist. Congratulations again and again, Eugene. I believe hindi ito ang first time na naging best player ka. I-share mo naman sa amin kung anong secret sa performance na pinapakita mo.
Ang secret ko is mag-pray lang kay God palagi para bigyan kami ng lakas, tapos katalinuhan para maganda yung laro ng team namin.
Buddy, speaking of secrets, magandang gabi sa'yo, buddy. Congratulations for being the best, kasurog best player of the ball game. Ano ang ating kinain ngayong araw, partner? Dahil napakalakas natin ngayong gabi.
Ano lang, Coke float tsaka burger.
Coke float at burger. Eugene Malyapre, congratulations, brother. So, napakagandang performance sa'yo. So, ito lang yung tanong ko sa'yo. Ano pa ang may expect namin for Eugene Malyapre dito sa Ako Bicol Cup?
Ibibigay ko lang po yung best ko para sa Team Sangay para makuha namin yung panalo sa lahat pa ng susunod na laro. At saka po sana gabayan kami ni God sa lahat ng laro namin.
Yes.
Ayun. So ngayon, meron kang pagkakataon para pasalamatan at batiin ang supporters ng Team Sangay at supporters mo na rin.
Maraming salamat po sa suporta sa Team Sangay, sa family ko po, tsaka sa girlfriend ko na laging nakasupport sa akin. Yun lamang po.
So ayan, congratulations again, Eugene and Team Sangay. And here concludes our doubleheader games for tonight. In behalf of Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List, Sir Lloyd Rivera, our Commissioner, our Technical Head, Direk Chano Calleja, mga kasamahan ko sa panel, Coach John and Coach Paul. This is Barbie Floriano saying thank you so much for continuously supporting Ako Bicol Tournament. Happy birthday po and good night, everyone.